In this video, we're going to see a TrueNAS review. TrueNAS is a powerful open-source NAS operating system developed by IX Systems, built on FreeBSD, which is TrueNAS Core or Linux. It's designed for secure, high-performance data storage with enterprise-grade features. It has ZFS file system with snapshots, replication, and data integrity checks, RAID-Z encryption, compression, and deduplication. Also, it has a web-based GUI for full management and supports Jails, Docker, Kubernetes in scale, and VM hosting. Its extremely reliable and secure storage system can help you offer unmatched data protection, but it requires a decent hardware and not beginner friendly. Also, it overkill if you need basic file sharing. So TrueNAS is a top tier NAS OS for users who prioritize data integrity, scalability, and advanced features. Whether you're running a home lab or a small business, it's a robust and feature-proof solution through its best suited for users some technical experience. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.